Guys, here is Turkish plate shawarma. Hey guys, this is your Chetan. Welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I've dropped down to Elanka Baglur main road, a restaurant name called Lord of Grills. So this restaurant is gonna be getting opened at afternoon 3 o'clock and it's gonna be getting closed at 10:30 or 11 o'clock at the night. So rest all details. I don't know much about this place because it's a brand new restaurant. Let's go and check out what is so special of this Lord of Grills. So here is Mr. Abhinan. He is the restaurant owner. So this place is there in how long?
So we opened this in the month of July, so it's been almost 5 months.
5 months. Yes. So what type of things you are going to be serving here?
So we are specialized only in grills and shawarma right now.
Okay.
So yeah, so we got shawarma, Turkish shawarma. We got LOG special where we put in French fries, olives, cheese, and all those stuff put together. So and apart from that, we got grill. So it's our own recipe, a spicy thing, which nowadays you'd prefer. So it's a spicy chicken grill, and we got various shawarmas.
So like I am seeing a lot of crowd here. So leaving walk-in, how do you deliver to the people?
So right now we are tied up with Zomato and Dunzo. Then when porters picks up our orders, and along with that we also have our own delivery system.
Okay.
So we deliver up to like 3 kilometers surrounding.
Free of cost?
Yeah, free of cost.
Okay. So if it's above 3 kilometers, then you charge?
Yeah, we charge.
Okay.
So we charge like 20 rupees per kilometer.
Last and the final thing. Why do customer wants to drop down to this Lord of Grills? What is so special and which is the most selling dish over here?
Okay, so the most selling dish over here is LOG special. So it's our own recipe where it's a kind of a mixture of both mayonnaise and cheese and loaded with French fries. So it's a big hefty roll which you can afford at a very cheap price, and at the same time it's very delicious. So like from the kids to the elders, everyone loves it.
Okay. Let's go inside the kitchen and check out what is getting prepared for us. And shawarma, however, they have placed it out itself. Let's take some cinematic shots. Guys, here is shawarma. So with that I have got some carrots and some cucumber. With that extra mayonnaise. For a customer who asks extra mayonnaise, they are not charging anything right now. And for shawarma roll, the outside layer is skobos which they have used. It's really very soft if I'm touching with my finger. So chicken has been completely filled in this skobos. Let me take the first bite. The skobos is also very soft, and chicken, it's in next level. Slightly they have used mayonnaise in this. Mayonnaise taste is not so dominating, but whatever the masala they have added for the chicken, that is bit spicy I felt. They have used pepper and they have used garam masala and they have used chili powder in this chicken shawarma for marinating. After that they cut down into pieces and they put bit of mayonnaise, mix it out well, and in this shawarma roll they haven't used cabbage, because most of the places wherever I have tried shawarma personally, they use lot of cabbage or onions. Here only chicken is being filled in the skobos. Guys, and a small information, they have different types of shawarma where they use cabbage also. This is full meat shawarma, means only the meat is gonna be used in this shawarma. Let me try out this cucumber. They have used vinegar and they have used salt. It's fresh, especially with shawarma. This thing has to be there, but one thing is missing: chili. So if anyone needs extra spicy, chilies has to be there for shawarma. But here, why chili is not there? Because this is already spicy. Meat has been crushed well into small pieces, and a bite is filling my mouth completely. It's really very juicy. Dryness is not there. They have served fresh meat, and after taking a bite of shawarma roll, this thing has to go. Very good combination. It's giving an amazing taste. And one more important point is that they prepare their own mayonnaise. Guys, here is Turkish plate shawarma. In this they use French fries, olives and some cabbage, lot of chicken. Below I can see some rumali roti, and on top also I can see one rumali roti, and which is really very hot. Let me taste this out. And inside they have given bit of mayonnaise. Let me take chicken and some olives as well as cabbage. Dip this in mayonnaise. Let me go for the first bite. The olives taste, cabbage, fries and that spicy chicken. It's entirely different, especially when you dip this crispy fries in this mayonnaise and the chicken which is there inside this rumali. It's giving an entire different taste, guys. Olive taste and the spicy chicken, it's giving an amazing taste. So there won't be any kind of problem when you're eating with rumali, because if olives, if they put like that itself, it's gonna be really difficult while eating. But this type of plate shawarma I'm eating for the first time. It's very delicious, very juicy, amazing taste. A good amount of chicken is being served in this, because most of the places, if you ask shawarma, they will roast it and then they make plate shawarma or roll shawarma. But here, slightly that wetness is there in the chicken, so that is giving a better taste. Here, if you are placing an order for plate shawarma, they're gonna be serving with kovos or with rumali roti. Rumali roti taste with plate shawarma, so next level, guys. You people have to try. Last and the final thing is grills. So that is my actually favorite. So with that I have got mayonnaise, mint chutney and some masala onions, small leg piece. Let me try this breast. It's very hot, guys. The meat is really very juicy, and whatever the masala they have put for this grill, it has completely entered till meat. Just look at the masala, how it has entered the meat. They have left this chicken for a marination for a quite long period of time. If their customer needs some customization, that also they'll do it in this grill. Means to say some spiciness should be more, they can do it. If spiciness needs to be medium, that's also fine, they can do it. But trust me, guys, this type of grill, it's been very long that I have tried. The grill is not being over roasted. This outer layer is not crisp. Usually in grill, most of the places they overcook. This outer layer, especially the skin part, becomes crisp. Just look at this, it's not crisp, it's completely soft. Let me try this with mint chutney. I usually don't prefer eating grill with mint chutney or with mayonnaise, but just for you people's sake, I'm trying this. It is light in color. I think for this mint chutney they have used curd. The mint chutney is really very good and mint taste is quite dominating. As I told you, slightly the tangy flavor is there. That's because of curd. Let me try with mayonnaise also. The mayonnaise thickness though, it's in next level, guys. It's creamy and the spicy grill, amazing combination. And spicy onions also. Guys, finally I finished my food. It's almost like 6:45. So even the lights are on. Guys, this is a small place with a small dine-in part and all. But they are gonna be upcoming with a new big shop over here itself in this location. But taste of the food, whatever they are serving the best and the quality as well as in the quantity wise. People, whoever are in and around Bangalore, like Hebbal and all, they can definitely drop down to this place. This place is amazing, especially for the evening snack or for dinner. And the prices are also like budget friendly. And this place is located exactly next to Brindavan College itself. And I'm gonna be mentioning the link in description as well as price list also. Anyhow guys, if you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. If you people are still not following me on Instagram, do follow. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.